Wow. All our people. Let me touch you, baby. Let me touch you, baby. Make it go.
Akoko-edo, by God's grace, we don't get formidable team, starting from the chairman, the vice chairman, and the 10 ward councillors that God wants to use this time to transform Akoko-edo, starting from the vice chairman, Mrs. Abukari. This woman, hello, this woman. This woman, now woman went past man. If una dey hear say woman pass man, na Mrs. Abukari with Tajudeen and the 10 councillors to transform Akoko-edo. Come August 2nd, September 2nd, the entire Akoko-edo una go pray for am. Una go pray for am. Make una say Abukari, 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 Abukari. Yes, from Abukari, we now go to the digital rocket. I assure you, hello, I assure you, by God the okay, hello, I assure you that if you vote for Tajudeen another day, you will not regret voting for him. Tajudeen another day is a tested and trusted person. He's a barrister at law. He has held several positions in government and he has used it to develop Akoko-edo. He's a man that can be trusted. By God's grace, come September 2nd, 2023, I beg you to vote for Tajudeen Alade as the candidate of PDP. Then, from Ward 1 to Ward 2, Ward 3, Ward 4, up to Ward 10 councillors, I beg all of you to vote for them. PDP!
And with permission of the leader of our party, I hereby present to your son, our candidate for the 2nd of September local government elections, the chairmanship candidate of the People's Democratic Party. To do 3 things. 1, to thank una for the support. One and the support is our government. 2, I can't see the highness because of the security problem when they are Akoko-edo. So from Monday, anybody will be kidnapped and make it come up for here. When they leave Akoko-edo, because I launch special operation to drive them from Akoko-edo. So we're taking charge of the security of Akoko-edo. Before the Abba Festival next weekend, I will see what you will do for you. The last thing when I come from, to bring good news. Let it be the good news. Tajudeen! Tajudeen is the good news. Tajudeen! PDP. When I know this man, reach me. He don't work with me before. This man is a good man. This man, he love Akoko-edo people. This man will work for Akoko-edo. He will bring development. He will work with me closely. You know, say governor alone from Benin, he don't know everything when they happen for everywhere. Then to the eye and ear for Akoko-edo. Because I like him, I go work well with him. So I go do my own. When I go do my own, when I go for that. So when I do my own, I will do my what that you did. Because this man is a good man. He is a great administrator. He is a wonderful party man. The man don't support PDP.
We have taken a decision about our destiny. And I am conscious of the fact that to whom much is given, much is expected. And that is the reason I am making myself available to come and serve the good people of Akoko-edo. Akoko-edo is a place we are proud of. We must breathe. Our people must breathe. The time has come for rescue. Economically, politically, and socially. We have a governor that we are proud of. He has become the pride of the world today. I have worked closely with him, like he had rightly said. And I discovered that he will not finish his tenure until I am given opportunity to serve in a greater capacity with him. And that is the more reason. All this while, I have been in the struggle. Faithfully, committedly, and dedicatedly. My driving force is as a result of the passion I have for the growth of Akoko-edo. We cannot remain stagnant. We have a governor that is ready to support me with all it takes to move Akoko-edo from where we are now to the next level. Be rest assured that I am a young man. The people is there. You will also agree with me that since Akoko-edo was created, I will be the first young man to of the executive chairman of Akoko-edo. I am begging all of you that the election is on the 2nd of September 2023. It's less than a month from now. I am begging you all, Papa, Mama, Peke, everybody. I want to restore the glory of the lost glory of Akoko-edo. And I know with the governor, I have no problem. I am a lawyer, but I will not lie to you. And that is why I'm a man of few words. And I also select my words because I don't want to lie to you. All I am saying now, mark today's date down, that it will be achieved. There will be a suggestion box at the council. I will take every complaint and I will try my best together with the good people of Akoko-edo, my 10 councillors, my vice chairman, to see that our focus will only be about attracting the dividends of democracy to the people of Akoko-edo. We have a mega project in Edo. It's a Marshall Plan that we all are proud of. Because the governor is a very focused, digital, highly responsible, and a man that is committed to the development of this land. He came up with mega projects, and we all can see the dividends today. I am telling you all today, this afternoon, that my mission and vision is to key into that mega arrangement, so that Akoko-edo will not be left out in the scheme of things. I also assure you that your resources will be utilized judiciously for your benefit. I thank you all, and by the special grace of God, I will not fail you all.
The campaigns, there are plenty. The lot of it contain this podium. So what do we want to do? Make we give the microphone to their leader. Make it talk to us. Aslan and Shelima, that want to talk to us. Before we talk to us, make our first yam on our behalf. The symbol of the People's Democratic Party. Chief Alfred, you are welcome. Aslan,
Walk ball. PDP, betterlife.com.
Etsako PDP,
Betterlife.com.
Etsako PDP,
Betterlife.com.
I believe what do is a mayor. In it 1 or 2, make chips to it no yali. Magila Yamakoyaho, Yigawa that your bodies are declared back to PDP.
Thank you.
now, let me do one of the things I like doing. Handing over the flag to your son to make it official that Solomon is the official candidate of the party in the
Betterlife.com. All the councillors from Ward 1 to 10.
PDP!
Betterlife.com.
PDP!
Betterlife.com.
Betterlife.com!
PDP.
For the women!
PDP.
For the youth!
PDP.
For the leaders!
PDP.
For you!
PDP.
For me!
PDP.
PDP!
Betterlife.com.
Better life they come.
Yes.
As our mama talk, APC put us for trouble.
So,
We enter one chance with APC. They don't take our money for what? For our pockets. They don't increase the price of fuel. What did they leave us with? Hunger.
They say dollar don't reach 1,000. Bag of rice, how much?
60,000.
They won't kill us, oh. We're not gonna let them. Better life they come. Who they bring up? Who they bring better life? This is the better man when they bring better life.
Yes, sir.
I know him. That better person. He go work with me.
Thank you.
To bring the dividends of democracy to now. He go help now. We go bring money for farmers. Every month, I don't tell them. We go look for people who not fit chop. People who not fit buy anything. We'll give them small money, make them take chop. I trust this man. When we give him the money, he go take her and work.
Yes, sir.
He don't go chop him.
Yes,
He
sir.
don't be like those other people.
Yes, sir.
Would I go vote for him? Better life, they.
Come
Oh yeah, tell them how you won't give them better life.
Better life, don't come. Better life, don't come. Better life, don't come. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Agriculture, the mother body, Palemara Yitiro, Igiola, Iovanima Gumi, what to do boss also. Because in our low government, Emua only need to Apple, Council Yadela. My processing, I do your debo. I be governor board in Loho. Yaro Boro. Emoyon Hilo Alupo, Yagolo. PDP!
Better life, don't come.
Better life, don't come.
PDP.
We are together.
Thank you so much. On that note, better life, don't come.
Better life.
Don't come. Better life, don't come.
Seven Kosa for Governor Obaseki. Kosa.
On behalf of our leader, and by the powers vested on me as the chairman of the party, I hereby present the symbol of authority to the chairmanship candidate of the People's Democratic Party for Etsako East in the forthcoming local government election to Benedicta.